Alright guys, so we've got that nice brand new chain on here, brand new sprockets on the rear and in the front. And over here we got our new brake caliper on the rear with our new bracket right there. If you guys remember when we took off those swing arm extensions, the bracket for the rear brake was all messed up right there. So we're getting rid of that. We got our brand new brake caliper bracket on there with our correct OEM length line. Our old one was super long because of that swing arm extension. And we've got a new rear set bracket up here with everything all functioning properly. Now the next thing that I want to do is clean this bike because this thing is super dirty. Got all that dust on here. We got bird droppings on the side of the motor here. So I want to get this thing all cleaned up and then we can go forward and do our oil and filter change because that right there is very dark and who knows when the last time the oil was changed on this bike. Alright guys, so we've got the new front end back on this bike. We've got our new chain and sprockets installed. We were able to go through, detail the bike real quickly. Got the rear wheel cleaned up. We got the front wheel cleaned up. We got all those old decals off of it. Everything's looking nice and clean now. Went through, did an oil and filter change. Everything is good. Had the bike running, still runs great. So in the next episode, we are going to continue with the rebuild process on this 2015 GSXR 600, and we will start throwing some new plastics on this bike. So stay tuned to see what the color scheme looks like on this bike, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Later.